Yeah, so that's actually one of the reason I decided to cook full time as well, is that people really knows about sushi. People really knows about ramen, but not so much about the food I used to grow up eating, which was Japanese comfort food.
Hmm.
So it's for me like cooking, I'm like educating people through my food. I think there's still a stereotype about Japanese food that we eat like sushi every day.
Yeah.
No, we don't. That's kind of like one of my mission to through cooking. I really
Yeah.
wanted to introduce something people just don't know
What's
about my
what's it
culture.
what's a dish? Doesn't matter if it's like, doesn't need your favorite dish, but like what's something that you think most people don't know about that they should?
The simplicity
Hmm.
make the flavor so good. I feel like I see a lot of like restaurant and food, a lot of components in one dish, right? But I think Japanese food is very, very simple. The main ingredients to make a flavor is
Hmm.
probably like five ingredients,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
just a different ratio of the ingredients make everything flavor like so different.
Hmm.
So simple yet delicious and different. I think that's probably the people really don't
Yeah.
know about Japanese cooking.